Fractionation process. Fractionation process is a fully reversible modification process, and it is basically a thermomechanical separation process in which a multi-component mixture is physically separated into two or more fractions with distinct physical and chemical properties.
There are three types of fractionation to be discussed today, which are dry, detergent, and solvent fractionation.
Dry fractionation is used to separate RBD palm oil into olein and stearin. This process consists of crystallization and a filtration section. During crystallization, RBD palm oil is heated and cooled under controlled cooling program. This system uses a vertical cylindrical vessel. Crystal formation and growth occurs as the oil is cooled. The oil becomes slurry of crystals and remaining liquid oil. The slurry is fed into a plate and frame-type filter press to separate the RBD palm stearin, the solid crystals of the palm stearin are retained on the filter plates.
So, how's about detergent? It is a process of chilling the palm oil in the presence of magnesium sulfate and detergent to a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Proudly, the first detergent fractionation process was developed in Malaysia. The crystals are wetted and pass into suspension before the mixture is separated by a centrifuge. Then, this process produces two products, olein and stirring. For olein, it will be washed with water to remove excess detergent and continued with drying process while stirring is melted and centrifuged to separate it from detergent solution before being washed and dried. During this detergent fractionation, diglycerides concentrate in the palm olein, while monoglycerides concentrate in the palm stirring.
If there is an oil or fat with triglycerides with a range of melting points present, it is possible to separate them by fractional crystallization. The process trick is to crystallize and separate these various triglycerides. The quality of separation of crystals is called the separation efficiency, SE, where 100% SE means perfect removal.
However, it is possible to achieve SEs of greater than 90%, relatively easily compared to typically 60 to 70% for dry fractionation. A higher SE means a purer crystal product, which then gives a much sharper melt.
Which is the best fractionation process?
Solvent fractionation is the most efficient fractionation process, but there are some disadvantages of solvent fractionation.
As well as detergent fractionation also are less suitable for long-term use.
Which process is suitable for the long term?
The dry fractionation process is a suitable process for long-term use. It is still relevant to use because the cost is cheap and this procedure is simple, then it does not pollute the environment.